Good morning, mommy.
Good morning, black boy.
Can I get something to eat?
You wash your face for morning?
No.
You tidy out your room for morning?
No, I'm not doing that.
You wash up your plate?
I'm not doing that yet, mom.
You know, do none of that. From when you feel rake up the yard, and me have to come now and I rake the yard, and now you come to me comfy about something to eat. When you rake up the yard, go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Black boy!
Black boy can't come to you this morning, you know, because black boy no do nothing in the yard from morning. So he have to do what he have to do before he come out of the yard. You do anything in your yard from morning?
Wash my face and brush my teeth.
So
Wash my plate them.
You wash up your plate them?
Yeah.
Okay, well black boy no do that there from morning. So you go down to your yard and make black boy finish the way he have to do.
I wait for you out there, so. Do what your mother said to do. I'm going to go here. I wait for you.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
Yeah. You hear your friend can go and do something. So you find something to do. See rake now and start rake up your yard.
Go on fire.
Burn it down. What go on?
There, man.
We are dealing.
So wait, me come check your fire now.
Yeah, so, I may say, the portion you're asking for right now, I not so much. You know what I mean? But I link with this. I think with this is the right person because with this having much portion of what they want. Because business where I do, every movement's that. You know what I mean? I love a little portion for 12 warriors them where, you know what I mean, we are holding the peace. And that's why I want to look at meditation and yeah, the portion I have the wide scale, you know. But I link with this for a short still, you know what I mean?
2 pound now go work.
You know
I push my thing, so.
Yeah, man.
I think we have a portion I think we need.
Yeah, man, I call him, man, and I want good strain you have.
Good straight.
Yeah, man, it's a good strain.
You give me a tester one night still, you know, but it not too. You see me, so.
Yeah, man. So check him, man, just check him. Is it? Burn it down,
yeah.
down. We're there, man.
Why you rake your yard good, you know? And when you don't remember, say you have a plate then, you go wash before you come out of your yard. Because here your friend do what you have to do already before you come out of your yard. Me no business about that. That don't have nothing to do with me. Do what you have to do. Make me see what you have to do. When you're done do it, then you can come out of your yard. Not before you're done do what you do.
Go on, man, sir.
Yes, boss.
Talk to your father, you know. The same time, you know, walk on a pass, I look on the plum tree, you know. Money, get your plum. I don't want none of my yard. I go broke one on a finger, one on a hand. If you set stone else fling over them, I'll take a fling, you look at your hand. You know what I mean? The tree, I work, I do work, it I provide. You know what I mean? So your parents must provide for you, you get a little money for your parents. So when you buy socks and sweetie, you use it buy plum. Alright, sir? Morning, Miss Cheryl.
Good morning, Mr. Curious.
Yes, a black boy, may I give advice still.
Yes.
Because the plum tree did about the little pitney them. Now pay attention. Like Big Boy, him and Chucky and Brown Man.
Yes.
Them just run there, lick down and plumb them and know a business.
No, they can't do that. They can't do that.
No,
Black boy no do that.
No, Black Boy don't do that.
Oh,
So me
okay,
I tell Black Boy, they said money used to go buy the socks at shop and the sweetie them. You save a $100, come check me and you pick 2 plum, you have plum for serve you. You know what I mean?
You hear that, Black boy?
Yes, man.
Alright.
Because you know good for practice it trouble people things so now. That's why you have so much thief in our country.
That is true. That is true.
That's why the country runs so. Because you know here upon the television last night me I watch it. Say them thief $124 million missing. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So I know nobody no find it.
So somebody have to give accountable for that.
Me don't know but me I search it because they say last. The news say that they lost. So you know say nobody thief. Me not say nobody thief, you know, then say it lost.
It last.
So me I search it. But in the meantime I try run my plum business.
Yes.
Black boy.
You hear
don't be
that,
like
Black
the rest of
boy?
people,
Don't trouble Securious Plum. Ask him for it if you want.
Alright, you carry your money come.
No, him say I carry me.
Yeah, don't ask me.
Him
Don't ask me.
Nothing I go away for free. Alright?
Yeah, don't ask me. I cannot ask for leniency if you pay me land tax. So don't ask me about plum, can you look at money come.
Alright.
I say country go run good.
So how much you go give me for $100?
When you come we talk about business. We know that plum tree now, but me just tell us say money talk. Yeah man, so when you take care and your mother no trouble. Yeah?
Alright, and thank you, Mr. Curious.
Alright. Money down.
My next truck there. Next truck. Next truck. Next truck. Next truck there. Oh Jesus Christ, Mommy! Chuck! That's a truck!
Where buy the truck from?
Mommy, me can't find the truck!
So no one chuck that in your hand.
Mommy, this is not my truck! This one, this is not my truck!
So you're going to find
favorite truck!
Why?
Me can't find the truck for me!
Okay, big boy. Happy nice. Watch out. Look what me gonna do to you. Alright, since I you prefer your truck, me will go cook some food to you, but you don't look like you want the food. Let me pot. Let me go look for your truck. Now chuck that in your hand.
Mommy, this is not my truck, Mommy, me I talk about my favorite truck!
If me give you some lick in your today, your papa tan one in there and feel it. Where do you play so far? Look there. Watch out. No. Look here now. Watch out. You go and take them up. Big boy, take them up. Take them up on the back. Jesus Christ. Boy. Look here. It come like I say blood pressure you want give me. Take up your bag. But you know say out of the door. Mommy. When you go cook something you feel but you shall never name till you're too big and lazy and craving about your bag. Take them up. Out of that. Take up them.
I look at your big old dirty shoes, you can't dash it down the floor. Take up your bag, take you. Out hard an hour. As the great man slap in your face, then I know manners. But money, me want to make Chuck. Kevin spell Chuck. See a piece of dirty fancy at there. You wake up. You don't even brush your teeth for a man, you wake up and come back about Chuck. Calm down yourself. Calm down. Oi, calm down, calm down. Calm down. See your piece all at you. Take it. Me I go look for the Chuck. And if you continue ball, me nobody look for it, you know. Because you know me see already. Me I go look for the Chuck. So shut up your mouth. Go in the bathroom, go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Morning, Miss Cutie.
Good morning, big boy.
Little Cutie over there.
You know, so she asleep? How I have something for her?
Yeah, me have something for her. Come feed. Me did forgive her for her birthday, but me never have it. But me find $100 me a give her for her birthday.
Alright, big boy. Thank you. At least I still give her something.
Alright.
I give her when she wake here.
Alright. Alright.
No, man. Guess what? It's better them. Eh? Eh? Wait. Hey.
Tell me, mother.
You're good boy, man. I'm going, big boy.
Oi, let him go. I want him. Fight.
I'm ready to go to school. I'm asking about school.
No, but a big on him, you cannot play with him so rough.
Nah, man, I said let him play.
No, play with him so. No play with him so. No, let him go. See then now he say you're man of friend. Me not understand them kind of ram.
No, me better not play my blood. Eh?
Mommy, me don't know him, mommy.
Big boy, you really say that? You really say that, youth?
Me don't know you.
Alright, no problem, man.
Look here, no play so rough.
No problem.
Me not stop you from playing, but no play so rough. You're bigger than him, you can't do that. Come go in the yard. You love Ram too much too. Go in the yard. You time you in a mix up.
Alright, so. I'm fine this one, God. Let's go and set up that. Try clay tape we're using. Whenever clay tape we're using, See that. Alright, now, see that? Find it. Me find it. Me normally.
What is that, listen?
No, Anya. Make sure you see good in. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. See there.
Tape down your son to make it look good. You see what I mean? When they make them tape up, some of them not do this, some of them, you know.
Money ready, you know. So now, I don't know what watch it, let's see.
Alright. So you already know how to wear your hand.
Tape this. Come on, show. Papi, no, papi. Papi, guys, no, let's go there,
Big boy, wake up, man. Oi, wake up. You think me couldn't catch you? You take time and screech in there last night. Come over here, so to me. You think me couldn't catch you? Not true. You think me wouldn't catch you? Don't.
Mommy,
Please.
Mommy, why I do this for Mommy?
Why me I do this for? Get up our five bell. You think me couldn't catch you, boy?
Mommy.
You take time and screech it come in here, so.
But Mommy, I might chop Mommy and your boy teeth will chop Mommy.
Every time you chat about my chuck, everybody in this side area knows I feel your chuck. You know, you see you? Your body. Yo, tap it nice. Your body like a yard. You broke human pick hand. The amount of sick way you do, you walk and beg. You just walk and beg. Like I say, you no hand on body. Not because you're dirty pooper.
Mommy.
Boy, don't put any lick for you. Shut up your mouth when me talk to you, here?
Mommy, please, Mommy. Please, me, I beg you. Me not gonna do it again, Mommy.
Big boy.
Mommy, please, Mommy, please, man, beg you.
The amount of please where you beg, I'm sorry for you. Big boy, I can't take it no more. Me lick you go, me lick you come. Every God Almighty day you do the same thing. Me no know what else left to do. Big boy, you see where Lexi there? Tap in eyes, arm. You see how wicked me lick you? You dey come bad like me lick you. Bad pitney. When they know they do something wrong, they start bad before they get the lick. Mind me you in today. You want me say? Mind me you in here today. See your sister there? In gone a cops. And if you go and work, if you go a cops, you go reach there. Big boy, me no want send you a cops like how Lexi work herself to cops. You better start behave yourself.
I'm not gonna do it again, Mommy.
You don't understand what I say? You're not gonna do it again. Every day you're not gonna do it again. And you end up do worse and worse. Me tired of people come to me. When you gonna start behave yourself, big boy?
Mommy, I'm not gonna do it again, Mommy.
You know what?
Please, Mommy, please just don't let me, Mommy. Please.
Get up. They give you the last chance. Get up. Sit down, turn on. Sit down properly on the bed. Big boy, you are my only son. You understand?
Yes, Mommy.
I'm going to talk to you as a mother. Big boy, at the last chance me they give you. The last chance. Because if, big boy, it look like you want police lock me up. It look like lick no have nothing to do with it. You not tired of get lick? You not tired of get lick? Look for you can't trick me. Me they call you, me they beard. I know you can't done beard. And you take time and screech in. You don't know someone that catch you? Me have to catch you.
Mommy, I might chop Mommy and boy teeth me chop Mommy if you never
If you chat one more time about that chuck there, I'll give you where they look for. Because the work feed hard. And me will give it to you. You understand? Big boy, you need to start behave yourself.
Yes, Mommy.
Start behave yourself. The time you the ramp and run up and down and all over the place with dirty Chucky.
Mommy, I'm tell you something, Mommy. One time, Chucky did fling off 5 people in house over there, so, and it broke it glass, Mommy.
You really love chat about Chuck. Yeah, fling off Chuck and broke it Chuck. Listen to me. So you not fling no stone over people in my yard?
No, Mommy.
You're sure because you lie, God Almighty, me no make you lie, so.
No, tell her
You make sure say no make nobody make no complaint to me say you fling and broke out the window, you know. or whatever door, glass, whatever, me no care what one pop over there. As long as you not fling over there, that good with you.
Mommy,
what?
I Chucky do it, mommy.
I Chucky do it, mommy. You better start there yourself. Me dey give you one last chance. Big boy, you know say I'm my only son and I love you. The lick them when you make me give you, me no want to give them about your work feet, so me have to put your hand on you. You need to, big boy, you need to calm down. You're the big hug up. But you see, if me talk to you so nice, and as me turn me back, you start your foolishness again, me no sorry, I'm sorry for you this time. So, you get way. You get way this time. Tidy up your place.
Mommy, I look about some feet, mommy.
Every day you want to sit in feet. As you wait before you even brush your dirty mouth. Get up and spread up your bed. And tidy up your place. Look where you fling down your big old dirty boot. Man, look at you. You see that big old dirty boot where you wear not even washing? Talk from wearing. See how I need that slippers there. You can't put it on. Me tired for saying that, man. Put it on. Put on your boot. Wait. Turn around. Wait. Turn on. Big boy, you how much here roll? You don't know say you're 10? Jesus Christ. And you're bad so. You see how me send you to school and you not take your book up and down with Chucky all about? Look on your foot. As some people put on shoes. Jesus. Take it off and put on your right way. Big and fool now and bad like a yours. Look here, me in a make good mood today.
Oh, mommy, me don't like them, mommy.
Listen to me. Me in a make good mood today. Don't spoil my morning. You understand me? Tidy up the place. And when you don't go brush your dirty mouth, me notice that as you wake every morning you want to sit in front of your man and remember say your dirty mouth to brush and your face to wash. Clean up the place.
Carry black boy go doctor. So 150,000 say fee set back the eye with medication.
150,000?
So you know how you're gonna work out it. Because you know, so that time it's all expensive. And you know with the COVID and things kinda hard. But if you don't have a light one time, because you can do what you can do.
I can't believe. That's so expensive.
Of course. I make myself a surprise, but see the bill here. You suit yourself, see that?
Alright then. I don't have no money right now. But me in one little partner.
Yeah.
I go check the banker and see what she can do for me. And me go up on him father, go talk to him father. So I will try get my money from him father and plus the partner money. You understand? So I will talk to you about it.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright then. So
Yeah, man.
you can keep the bill.
Yeah man, me keep it bill, but sorry about everything.
Yeah man, well
I'll make sure say you start out and everything. I'll get the money and give to you. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah man,
Take
thanks for
care.
your time, yeah?
Yeah man, you too.
Alright.
Come black boy.
Big boy. You know what I say? Are the little boy where your broken hand mother just come to me again? Where you set your face up, you don't know what you do. You broke people them pick me hand.
But mommy, you shouldn't take up my truck, mommy.
And me left in a problem. Me alone. Me not have nobody else help uno with what me have. The little bit of me same thing. If me have $1, $2, $3, I feel support you. A little bit what me have, me figure take it give people sake of you. So the problem where you put me in, you know, cause you know in no trouble, you know. I do broke people them pick me hand. And me, I figure find how much money. You know how much money you man just tell me say me I figure pay? 150,000. Where me forget it from?
Mommy, you can't get it from the bank, mommy. You can't go down to the bank, they have money down there, mommy.
Me have bank book? Your own bank? Your own bank and have money in there so you send me go feed?
Me always see people going to the bank.
Don't get me out on my wrong side this morning. The woman just come there, come show me receipt. How much money me have to go pay? From a band me never see 150,000 yet. No, me fi go do a forget it. Eh? So me fi pay for women on you. I'm sick of you because you not hear me. Big boy, you look like a killer want to kill me before time. You want to kill me before time? Okay. You know what I go do? Pay for one burial spot. Cause that your plan for do. It's like you and the devil at work. A killer want to kill me, me see it. Me I go pay for one burial spot. Me not even know me I go get so much money to go give that the woman there. Right now, me stress out, me not know where to do. Where me I get it from?
Okay, some conflicts, mommy.
Conflicts. You not get nothing for me I'm whole day today. Boy, sit down and look into what you do. Not until you realize what you do and where you put me in right now. But if you can't get conflicts, you can't work for by conflicts, you can't even spell conflicts. We should let us start conflicts. Eh? Eh? But look here, God, hold me right hand. God Almighty, me can't take it no more. You want to kill me before time. Look on you too. Look on you. You know, sit down there so as me say it before and look into whatever you done and leave me in a. If you sit down and fret over it. Think about it. Not me and I get finished today.
Chucky! 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 mother don't give me no food this morning, you know. I'm hungry from morning, I get up and beat me.
I'm sure my father don't really make nothing this morning, you know. So what you plan to do?
Come we go beg.
Right?
Come we go beg.
Let me get the pan. Grandma, you never see we here?
Yo.
This good enough to begin, not so?
Yeah.
Can't buy enough chunk. You want more in the yard?
Nobody beat me this morning because the boy keep me chop and beat him up. Mommy want come murder me, dog.
If you always dash your beat and kick them.
I don't know, taking me with.
What?
The belt.
Dash you away. Hide on the bed. Your mommy not go on the bed. Mothers nowadays not go on the bed bottom.
Boy, black boy better make me hold him in a bus here. It's like I'm making mommy come beat me after him teeth me chop. Are you little brother?
Yeah, sir.
Sir, good morning.
We have that lunch money.
Lunch money.
Yeah.
No money for your school.
Big boy like you not go to school. Big boy like you No man, big boy like you go to school.
No big.
So what you do? I just grow big.
Me a 10.
Me and 10.
So,
My father did 65.
your father is 65 when he have you? So much money in a bag for go to school and
Any amount you can put in
so the bucket that's so big.
When you are big, you have to beg big. Big small, you don't look good.
Oh, you know, hey, I'm just killing up.
Give man them set my yard.
I see no money in my pocket.
Please, sir, please.
Pocket empty, you know, road boy.
Check your next pocket.
So,
That you always keep him in the left back pocket.
Pocket empty, man.
No, check
The
him.
dance the left back pocket, the back pocket, the left
No
one.
money in the pocket empty.
And right one that, I don't know the left one, and right one that.
No money in the
Chucky, come on. You only just boasting.
anytime I see a park, my mother shut down.
I want maybe cash sponsor for his money.
Sir, take a $50, please. Take a $50, please. Nobody buy cash pot. Nobody buy cash pot.
The panic. Who the panic? Two. And
Nobody buy cash pot tomorrow.
320 cash pot.
Boss here.
Barry! We don't forget a bar, we have to.
Can't turn on the yard. Eh? Can't turn on the yard. I don't eat foul enough. Turn on the yard. I'm not so blessed in here. As long as you're not the car watching, nobody pick up come up by 3 minutes. Blessed morning. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life out. Yeah! That's alright.
Come here there, because I can't pass the security. Can't. Come here, look boy, I'm in a ramp with fall, you know. Come here there. You can't pass the security, that one with it. I don't know how no wicked to the poor fall, so. How you make the man fall, breathe, do man fall, and also one put you up. Wicked do, man. What going on, man?
Yeah. Look like easy.
You go on now. You know, say, them have a little question they are grown. You know what I mean? Them ask me when did Babylon Systems kill Rasta, right? And that's 1963. And them ask me when did Selassie come to save Rasta from Jamaica persecution. You know what I mean? And that was 1966. So you know the knowledge there, then give me a 2 weeks to go and relax. So I go to a hotel. I tell them I don't want 2 weeks, I want to take 2 days. Because I can't live in Plum Tree. You know what I mean? So for the 2 days then I want them to come and sleep there because I left lay up there asleep. As we wake up, we have a hotel. We spend 2 days and come back. Come on, somebody to watch a Plum Tree for 2 days.
You know, so you teach me something like a while. I never know say 1966. But anyway, different from that, the plum tree. I'd really love to come and start out the plum tree for you. But I can't come. You know why? Big boy, you know in town already. Big boy, you give me pure trouble. Big boy broke the little boy up there for hand. You understand?
Why broke your hand for now? Why not broke your hand?
Because one chuck when did have, the little boy find the chuck. And big boy fight him and push him down. And broke the little boy hand. Right now, me in a deep problem. Right now, I don't know my youth. Me stress out. The mother carrying son come down here. That a black boy when me tell about you know, him me attack. Sometimes I don't remember for them name. But you have to understand me sometimes. The little boy come down here, his hand ban up, he broke. Me have to go pay how much money. Right now, me don't have no money. Me have to go left and go up on his father. You understand me? If me the day I would really come and stay there so few man and start out the plum tree.
But when I order, I find somebody to go and run off the plum tree. Because I have to go. No, I need a 2 day relaxation, man. It's a vacation. But I'm sorry about that big boy. I said, Chucky, go and say, go look for a night.
Yeah.
But you see, every little thing in the earth have a reaction. If you never dash for a chuck, maybe somebody couldn't find it. So if you never find, you know what I mean? So every little thing. But it's kind of rough still.
But big boy too torment. Every minute somebody come to me about him. He make me get ignorant and fling away chuck. Now me fling away the chuck, pick me find the chuck and push down him. Me still have to go, yo, me can't manage it.
I can't turn up too long and talk to you because the girl doesn't wake up and I don't want him to bad. I check somebody on the road, some person stay there and go hotel. So after 2 days, I can sit down and chat.
Alright.
Because I can tell you what the problem. The problem is, with big boy a yard, he need a man present to show him how to grow up.
Alright.
Give me job.
Me think about it.
Give me job and I come a yard, come work you. And when I work you, I know say I'm the man of the yard. And if him pass in place.
Are your application you put in?
No, if him pass in place, bust his ass and make you know say man a man and make straighten him up, make him grow like a one come and behave himself.
Alright, now we talk about that here.
Yeah. Try to get the money first.
Alright.
Alright, try to get addition too. No pick me, no man pick me. See? Alright, grandfather. Alright, sir. Oh, black boy, come on there. You can't take the next side.
Oh, me come. Hold on.
Pick and broke your out.
No, you know, there's somebody push him down and broke him, big boy.
Big boy push him down and broke your
Yeah.
Look for him tomorrow, yeah? Look for him tomorrow.
No, but I'll fight big boy. Because big boy bigger than you. Enough of that still. But I want to do, I go to a hotel to spend 2 days, right? So I want you stand security at Plum Tree. See, this way you can pick 1 or 2 plum for yourself with the one hand. You know what I mean? And eat one and two.
The other one I look and so I don't know it will work.
And the left hand, but you can't eat with the left hand, daddy. You don't need nothing else. You can catch another hand. You not work. You not work so, cause so. Yeah man, see that's good enough man. I will sell the ball. So what you do? Just watch the plum tree or enter the land of piece of money for you when we forward back. Alright?
Yeah.
So you respond to the plum tree. Now I left about the next hour and add. So you get yourself ready and station right at the plum tree. And set so. Nobody to the plum tree. 2 days. Alright? Land of piece of money for you. Tell the mother say you get work. It's good to start work when you're young. So when you're young and start work, when you become a better gentleman. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's your job till I forward back. I got whatever spend on 2 days. Rest off your brain. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. So don't no fight with big boy. I don't think I really want hurt or push your job. You must more friskier. When I want to push you for you, flick and balance up. You know what I mean? Roll. When I say a word though. Just look at the plum tree. If come in almost straight, you know.
Yeah.
If you say look at one girl where you like, you can pick her 1 plum. Not 2 enough. You can pick her 1 plum. Right? See a girl that you like. Alright. Do your thing. Alright.
So man, I think I'm alone. But I have to eat it because we're hungry. All the last customer boy want to buy. Know that man's life survive. Damn feel. Shall I just tell him I can take the money and go buy a burger? Burger I'm going to fool my bill too much. What money though? This up here. Take this is off here. What? This. 250? Yeah, remember say I'm climb a tree. I'm pick them. But that me make a customer them buy me use me sorry face. Come on, just satisfied.
Chucky a big boy there.
Big boy. Walk on, Rasta. One out on the beach.
We are cool.
How do you get plum though?
And then you alone have plum tree. Why you always feel like you alone have plum tree?
If I get plum, I look boy get plum.
We go for
Look for myself what plum them.
We don't go for
my girlfriend you have to get plum.
When I'm a girlfriend you have.
And to my look sour still, so now my plum them.
You
So now the pan beach, no matter no son up there?
Yeah.
Mother no son there. So now the pan beach.
And my mother send me for come beg money.
Your mother send me to come beg money?
Yes.
Can the woman no do them something there no? In not send me to come beg money, you sure?
A for your mother or a for my mother? A for your mother?
But you never know, whatever you know do. You can't swim and you can't swim. Don't go in the water. Walk as long as you sun here, but don't go in the water. Make sure I tell you now.
Why we not go in the water?
There's monster in the water. Don't go in there.
Monster it off your bite. Come on, I think I want to go in the water. Alright, Rasta. You never see it.
Why no matter about rough road, you know. I'm not trying to get a white girl.
You don't want no white girl.
So when I get big, look a girl. So when I get big, look for me and talk to you. When I get big, if you stay like big boy, I bust your ass. You hear me? What me say me go do? If you stay like big boy, I'm gonna beat you. Big boy give a lot of trouble. You know that big boy is a bad picnic.
Yeah.
You see man Chucky gone on the beach? Nobody send them on the beach. You see that?
Yes.
But you're alright though.
Yes.
You ready for go swim?
Yes.
Go and play some more. We go and take a 5. When you're ready, really ready, you wake me up. Alright? Alright.
What go on, Metro?
There, I know, sir, from last night, but there I hate from you. You man, from last night, I want girl to come to sell me some. I just said, sure. I wait for you to come. So I can do what I do and make so I can go my yard now.
Alright, you already know forward in my office then.
Yeah, man, go on.
Can I swim? I'll swim, but I'm not ready yet.
What a cold, big boy. I'm going there pretty cold. You're going there?
Yeah, I'm going there.
Remember we can't swim.
Well, me can learn how to swim.
Alright, go learn. What is it?
Me nah lean about me chuck in here, because I fling me chuck on the nice sun.
Chuck off! Chuck off! Chuck off! Oh, you all learn this thing. Just chuck! Chuck off! Chuck off now! We are found big boy. Chuck off! I say you learn! Yeah! Ah! Big boy! Help! Stop! Police! Stop! Police! Stop! 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 Help! Help! Call the police! Help! 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 Call the police! Call the police! Fuck big boy! He's shallow big boy!
Where do I water? I was here can't swim. Eh? Come, get up.
Johnny water shallow all along big boy!
Chucky, when was I water? I don't know I can't swim.
We are learn much.
Supposed to be there.
them know that very shallow.
Look where I come, look what I want. Come now. Come. What I want.
Can't tell nobody say it to me, yeah?
Look here now. Me not tell no father, but make sure you go back in the water. Alright?
Thank you, Tim. Oh, you wicked now. You want to be shallow. I'm going to be afraid to go in the water. I'm going to have to run up here and wait. You make me go for this big boy. I'm thinking it's a gun for real. Look how he's shallow. Cute, it turn up out there. You make it look bad. I'm here to have the police.
You know what I say? Me up on the beach, we serve one client and a Chucky and big boy me see. And big boy nearly John. And me have to chuck in the water. See how me wet up, me have to chuck in the water to see a big boy. You know so you have to pay me for this too? You have to pay me for this. Come here,
my son nearly John?
Yes, Chucky nearly John.
Thank you very much. So you don't still, you don't still.
Yes. Yes, I remember so you have to go pay me no remember.
Hold on, me talk to you when me come back. Hold on.
Right.
Yeah, how that run? Go on, go call her. Tell them to call her. Run, go on. Run the way down the run, yeah.
Yeah, alright. You come on beach though. You're full of sand.
You must call him.
Your daddy a call me?
Go on, candy girl, up over there. Come here there. See how I can't rush though. Come here.
Oh. Go on, you come on beach though.
That's where we stay, man. Over here, we get the car. This is my tell us about stay up here, is it? Up at the hotel where we stay for 2 days.
Oh.
Yeah, man, so you go like, you enjoy yourself? You tell Candy say enjoy yourself? No. Buy him look out enough for good things and enough for good something you want to play with. Yeah, man.
Put up ties.
So where are you on the beach?
Problem they find me right now.
What kind of problem they find you?
Big boy.
You ever see my while ago and say you send up on the you send him for go beg. Say him up say beg.
What?
And me tell a lie him tell about him say you send him on the beach. So me no better turn him back down. Me say if your mother send you go, don't go into the water though. Me tell him point blank, don't go in the water. So he saying gone. Man Chucky. Turn him out gone so.
What you say?
Chucky. Me? So you send it to them down here.
You should have known better.
No, when me small, me dey on the beach then wait there for you know. So that's why I know if you say you send
Yeah,
him.
but you know, say me not send out big boy go beg nobody.
But up on the beach, me attack. On the beach. Me say beg, me say lie matter with the beg
Right
part.
now, me can't stand up and talk so long because at Johnny when they John up the beach and somebody when they try to save him.
So John?
You know, John, they save him. They save him, so there's somewhere up there up on the beach. But I walk till me find him because I not even know which direct part in there.
Up the same
So,
man?
Me not no time.
Alright. So what you can do now, boy?
Big boy! Come here! Come on, tell water! Come here now! Right now!
Mommy.
Come here. Come on, Pepper. Come to me. You see how long me turn up and wait for you? Come to me. Come to me. Right here so me now run you down. You're too out harder. Come here. Who send you a beach?
Mommy, I Chucky, mommy.
Who send you a beach?
I'm his father.
Shut up. You know no manners me not chat to you. Wait until me ask a question before you come back on like an idiot.
Chucky tell me say you know somebody up there, mommy, and come up there.
Chucky. You follow Chucky and come on beach?
Mommy, Chucky say him father up there, mommy, and him father say me can't come.
Oh, you reach a beach till you all nearly drowned. Somebody have to save you.
Yeah, we can't swim.
You can't swim. All you put them to your papa. You. Come here to me. Come to me, Missy. Come to me. Go and take up the bag. Go and take up the bag. Big boy, come to me. You turn big man now before time. Till you catch a beach. Come to me, boy. Remember, say you can't left your bag. Me know you not go no further right there, so. See the bag, you can't take you up. And your piece of dirty front here. Both of the beach like you're a big man. Out of that trouble you want to put me in. You boy. You don't love me, you don't love yourself, you don't love nothing more than this old dirty chuck them. A police you want to come lock me up. Come here. Take up your things them and come to your yard. Who send you a beach? Ask me permission to go beach?
No, mommy.
Me send you on beach, you come beg nobody, nothing?
No, mommy. Mommy, Chucky tell me say if you follow him, mommy, I'm tell me say my name now come, mommy, you go beat me.
Me go beat you, come.
Mommy. Please, mommy, please, mommy.
Big boy, you come like I know you don't know for your mama tan.
Mommy, me not do it again.
You not do it again.
No, mommy.
You not do it again. Oh, Tada, wait till I hold you. No big old thinking boat them like a water boat. I must say farm you there. Go here. Pick up your dirty boat there. And go here.
Let the boy candy.
You are informer, you rasta. Come on, you are informer. You are informer.
You have fear power when you go home. You have fear papa when you go home. You two turn me stepson in a boy. You go on. But what go? Yo, later. If I know you come back later, here. Put the boy a bed and come link me. Put the boy a bed and come link me.
Alright.
Room up your AC. Pool there. Sea there. And me there. Alright, good girl. If I was stepping in like that, don't have to step in your neck. Alright.
Oh God! Oh, Shea?
That will happen to you next time you see me a pick plum.
You're lowy.
Mine I want business.
I know, I'm prone.
I think I like when you take me truck, boy. So just tie you up here and make you sleep up here.
Can't meet you no lose yourself. Why you didn't lose yourself?
So just make you sleep up here. Next time don't trouble me truck.
Tell mother, man.
Tell your mother me boss it.
Tell mother.
Come on, truck.
Tell your mother.
Tell who for mother?
Tell mother.
My mother not there. My mother cry with a different man.
Anak besok. Awan siya. Why come out so bal about?
Mommy, just lick me in the soap.
Me just lick in there so. You don't know me can't get lick. A matter of fact, me did care what you fi bust your ass, but me not bother because you know look like lick have nothing to do with you. So straight punishment for you. You see this? You look like you not feel it. So let me put it on there. So come on and so to me. Go over the corner this up. Right at the wall. Stand up. Big boy, are you me a talk to you now? Big boy, you see this a punishment you will get? Happy nice boy. Hold on your foot and hold your ears. Hold your ears. To out harder. Hold it. Big and lazy. Stand up. Watch out. Stand up. Stand up one place. Stand up. You're too out harder. Out harder now. The amount of things them when you do, big boy. Eh? Can you imagine? You left Ghana beach, missing your beach and you can't swim. You gone pan road, gone beg people. You thief people plum. Eh? You gone all in a people all house they dugu. Eh, big boy, the amount of sick them we are do. Me left me pot pan fire give you burn up it. Big boy, no wonder why people have the chat oh me prefer you more than your sister. One sitting your sister though, and me send him a cops. You still there they give me trouble. You look like you are going to stand up. Oh, nobody hold one of your ears and one of your foot. Kneel down. Kneel down for the two knee them we got give you. You're too out harder. Give me a piece of dirty hat here too. Out harder. Big boy, what make you one bad so? Big boy, you they go over Chucky yard, go take him out of the yard. Him big boy?
No, mommy.
How you reach a beach? And you go call Chucky or Chucky come call you? Big, I might have slap in your head. Answer me when I talk to you.
Mommy, a Chucky can't call me, mommy.
Me can't believe say you make so much somebody they come to me come complain about you. Look how you broke the woman picnic hand.
Mommy, boy thief me truck, mommy.
Boy thief his truck. You know say he's an idiot? Eh? Me think you have sense, but he's a damn fool.
Mommy, you me born me, mommy.
You have no manners. And you not learn to do nothing about me born you. Me born a damn idiot like you cause some people that here with their mama say every day you gone out of the yard they take time a thief with thief and I know say although me not see you. People they tell me. You see if you left out of the yard again, this time you not get no chance, but you not get no liquor punishment. Cause right now big old get up me talk to you. I remember say you go down back on your knee. Get up, you should have dropped. Big and fool now what? Every day you come out of the yard and put me in a trouble. Look for you too, about your Ghana beach. Shark should have named you. You see your little road? You turn like your dirty poop. Boy, when me a chat to you, don't move. Turn up right there so. Look at you tear up and turn. Eh? Watch your toe. You turn like your dirty pooper. Look for you. I saw your pooper used to go along when your mama when you have him. I not take off from me, sure it's not me. Look for you. If you're not hit. Big boy, you know me they wonder if I the chuck and the hat and the bag turn you in a idiot. Cause me never know so me bring one jackass one hurt. Boy, you feel have sense. Go back on your knee and me they go in at the house And if me come back out here and you get up off your knee, watch me. A matter of fact, run go down this and run come back up here so. Run, me say. Run, you're the punishment. Run. Run go down this so. Run come back up here so about it. Run one more time. Come back up here so now and kneel down. You're too tired and lick have nothing to do. You kneel down. And if you think say your harm have too much here under there, make you go like you're a big man. Get up off your knee, they go in and come back. Get up if you're bad. Oh, tired, you know what. Watch out, my phone a ring. Lexi. Hi, my daughter. Lexi.
What's up, mommy?
What going?
Nuh-uh.
How the little girl them a treat you up there?
Them alright.
Them alright?
Yeah.
You sure? You behave yourself?
Yes, mommy.
So what does you eat now?
Bubble gum. I want them give me bubble gum.
Oh, careful how you take things from up there, you know. Me just want, listen to me now. I want you to behave yourself. Because me miss you bad. So, me soon come for you, here?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, and me have something to tell you about your brother. Him bad like a yaz. Yes. Him bad like yaz. He not behave himself. You don't know, say the boy put me in a one big piece of problem down here. Me have to work and I fret and stress out for money. This boy make Chucky come take him out of the yard and carry my beach. I want a woman named Cutie.
And Chucky still a bar?
I'm if you tell you about it. Cutie saved big boy life. It's more than a worse a problem when you're in the dead. Me have to left and go up and father if you want money.
I think big boy behave himself.
He not behave himself. Me have to left and go up and father yard for money because he went broke one little boy hand. I be a trouble him and me can't take it no more. He might put me in a some for trouble here. I hope you behave yourself, you know.
Yeah, man, not too stress yourself, man.
This I was on stress. This worse on stress. Big boy not behave himself. Me go hope. Lexi, me go hope him change and became a good little boy. Me no know. Me go hope him change and became a nice pitney like some people pitney. Me no know where me can stay. So you know, sign dirty poop and take off a door. Yes. And me miss you, you know. Me miss you, man. But I hope, look, listen to me. Me go make sure say when me talk to the staff them up there, you know, they have good news to give me, you know. Cause if me once here say you behave yourself, me they come for you.
Mommy, me I behave myself and well want come back now. So me I behave myself.
Every time big boy they ask you and him bad like a years, me don't come for you and me not tell him say me they come for you.
Yes, man.
I hope when you come back and you see big boy they rude, you know. You know, keep up in foolishness them in your head, you know. You make sure say you tell me.
Yeah, me I tell you.
No keep no secret for me, I'm bigger sister, you know that.
Where?
You say you behave yourself, me go come for you.
Yeah.
Alright. Or if me not come for you, me send money for you and make you come down by yourself. Because you big enough can take your own a taxi, not true? Alright, him bad like a years, I can't manage him. Hopefully he change. All he do. Eh? Eh?
He might grow, so he might change because he might grow.
I wonder which one.
Just like how.
You're a girl child, him a boy. He can change and he not have to change. Me go hope he not grow up and come to no worse as somebody if he come put me in a no worse a problem like when down here they put me in. Me can't take it no more, man. You can you imagine? After a boy put me in a problem, as remember me tell you before, and broke people pick me and knowing gonna see if he go down and you know say your brother can't swim. Me not send him up there. Me not send him on no beach.
Oh God, when did John, mommy?
Yes, say suppose in the John, then I find John, then lock up me. Then would have locked me up, would have gone, police would have locked me up so me fi know which part me pitney there. Me not understand them and sitting here. I know every way your pitney go, you go know which part in there. I'll be a problem in there, give me down here. Me can't take it no more. I'm glad for you say you behave yourself. You hear?
Yeah, man, yeah. Good.
Ay, boy, me miss you though. Me miss you. Even though you did so bad. Me glad say you change. Can me believe you, you know? Me believe say you change, so me will make you come home back.
And mommy, Pastor bring something for me and pray for me.
Pastor.
You say them have fast up here and come pray for the children, them and all of that.
No. No take nothing more from him. I know no good pastor. That the pastor that when me hear say molest 5 children up there. You mad?
I never hear that.
Right now police they look for him. Don't take nothing more from him. No take God Almighty. No take nothing more. What me say? No take nothing more from him.
I him give me friend it.
I him give a friend the thing. Show me it. What? Show me it. Why him give a friend?
Extra ice.
And your friend give you? Okay, so I set up.
I would just a try.
The pastor give your friend that the chingum there, your friend come give you and set up. Don't have nothing to do with the pastor there. The prayer when him pray for you, tell him say nobody want it. The blood of Jesus is against it. I saw him do to the little young girl them. Carry chingum and sweetie come friend them up. And then he interfere with them. That man, the devil is a liar. Me glad say the police didn't hear about it. Me glad. That man is a wicked man, a child molester. Not take nothing from him. So here I know my daughter. Me love you. Thank God me see you, you know, man. Thank God me see you on the phone. I'm glad to see you. Me long to see you. When you go to your bed at night time, me can say good night and kiss you goodbye and pray for you. Me miss you. Me miss you. Me go do something you know. So take care of yourself. Love you. And you will come down, man. Like how you behave yourself, you can come home back. You hear? Don't worry yourself. Mommy love you, here. You know if you forgot say me love you, you know. Although me send you there so, me send you for you be a better person. You hear? Alright, love you, my baby. Bye-bye.
Love you.
Nobody sleep with the chingum in your mouth and stain up the people them shit, you know, because I not pay for.
No.
Alright then.
No.
Alright, later, baby. Bye. Love you. Let's make a go there, so now. Big boy, come here. Come here. Me did tell you to kneel down for your knee. You see since you're bad man? Boy! You see since you're bad and it look like I said you are a man in this house. You run down the beach, start swim. Swim let me see. Big boy, swim! Swim! Swim big boy, swim! Swim me say. Idiot. Get up you damn idiot. Get up! Get up off the floor. Get up. Dear Mars. Come on also. Both of you gone a beach. You know if you swim? Come, turn on. Let me show you if you swim. Swim. Swim, you want to swim. Swim. Swim, me say. Swim. That's how people swim. Dear Mars. Swim, so. Swim. Swim go down there so and swim come up back. Beach you want, beach you get. Watch him. Big and fool. Swim come back down there so.
She shark in there, want to.
Shark if in your mouth, look here. You can go and swim. And when you feel satisfied, so you swim as much. Sleep right there so you now come in your house tonight. You hear what me say? Alright, let's say if you sleep. Come.
You can't go back cute, you go sleep for me.
Come on us. Right. Oh, cutie business with you. Right there so you sleep tonight. Right there so. Don't come in your house. Me did tell you if you have swim, go back and swim. Swim till you learn to swim. Then you can go sleep this up.
Hey, look, boy, come here. Come here. Tell us something. Me look like me your size? You look a pitney.
It no matter.
Me say you look a pitney.
You look good.
You look a pitney, me your size. You hear that?
You look good, you know?
You didn't look a pitney piece of TV can burn grass.
I'm if you tell you, me people in the back is burn.
Go on in here, you look a pitney, me your size. Never you see me again and ramp with me. You look, go on in your yard.
Alright.
Then look up at you nowadays now have no manners. This is a little boy here. Me and your size, go on in your yard, man. In the person you put in another place. Go on in your yard. Nowadays they don't have no manners. All you might think you man nobody that side.
My son a born.
Your son a burn? Alright. Big boy, you see you look nice? You realize what me do, what me never want to do because you're so bad? Me carry you go to barber shop go make you be a new boy. You see you look nice? No, but the things that you me carry a barber shop now, you know, you feel still they walk and look people girl pitney, you know. Because you're not turn man yet. Me uncle fix up you, chew me want you to go to church. Big boy, me need you to behave yourself, right?
Yes, mom.
And the pastor did talk to you already, right?
Yes, mom.
The pastor talk to you?
Yes, mom.
And tell you to behave yourself, right? Because we can't bother for you I go over the people them yard and I take with them pitney and they carry them all over the place. Me not blame him. The man pitney still, you know. Because sometime him they can call you. And the pastor talk to you, me talk to you. So we can't bother for you get out of hand. You get out of control now. You see you get big. Look how you look nice. And anyhow you start misbehave again. This time your face I go bush up so. Me not care no barber. So me know your little style already, you know. True, me carry you go make barber fix you up and make you look so good. You go feel say you're a man, but you're not man yet. Come on.
Me not like them clothes, you know, big.
Me not want you nothing about big clothes. You go to church. You have to start go to church. Oh, when you no grow up in a church, maybe you know you come out a little better. Although enough pitney grow up in a church and then you come out good, but you need to start to read your Bible and pray. You understand? And nobody can turn like a little worthless people them way. No mean themselves no good. You hear me? Alright, come on. Candy! What go on there? What? You know so me get a little thing though. Me did go check your father and he give me one little thing. And you know much. But you can come check me down and me give you it. You hear?
Alright, me soon come as soon as me finish wake up here so me come check you.
Alright. Yeah man.
Black boy. Yes, ma'am. Me go a Candy now. If you go collect the money. And me no want you come out the road. Right? And stay around here so and wash the clothes. Right? Anything you have to do in a yard, you do it. Yeah. When you go out the road, you put your hand in the sling and make it feel like make them continue to feel say yes your hand broke.
Alright, mom.
Right? Me go open one account for you, you know, and that the money may depend on from Candy.
Alright,
to open the account. Right?
Alright, mom.
So alright, so stay and wash your clothes. We soon come. Candy.
Mommy, see me sure got calling.
Take up them out of the way. You can come. Alright. May I go inside and come back? May I go feel money?
Alright.
May I give you half my money?
Alright.
As soon as we get the partner money, we give you the next half here.
Alright.
So, you can hold on and wait for me to give the rest. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, see there? So, it's a half. And thanks for wait. But,
and thank you for contribute towards the although your son working and still.
yes, man. As soon as I get the partner, as I say, I'll give the other rest. But big boy, he's going to be a changed person now.
That would be good.
Yeah, man. I carry him go to the pastor and the pastor pray for him. I'm going to start the church now.
That's nice, man.
Yes.
And I'm hoping continue with you.
Alright then. You know, say, when I go for my father and they come back, Cutie. One lady named Cutie, save him.
From where?
From nearly John on the beach.
So you did not send him go to the beach?
No, me not send him nowhere. He just come out of the yard and gone on the beach. Look how St. John, so that same money there when me are here right now. Mother have to go pay for funeral fit with it. So I lucky that the lady there saving life.
Yes. Bad man. Your pastor really have to pray for him.
Yeah, man. He go be a changed person, man. But anyway.
That would be good.
We talk about it.
Alright.
You understand? So, we talk about the rest of money.
Right.
Just you can come back and come check me.
Yeah, man. That's alright, man. That's alright.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. Come. What that for?
So no, I want to be something.
With something?
What do you mean with something?
Let me ask you, with something?
Remember other day they saw me over here, me tell her wait.
Oh, the one with Candy? No go on. No go on, you know. She not say her baby father no give her no money yet. So she say as soon as she get anything.
Me they pass and see you collect the money just a while ago.
You see me collect money?
Me see you collect the money.
Look here, man. You say if you want money, go breed and get picking and make somebody broken hand and you go collect money.
Alright.
Go on and do what you have to do.
Yeah, man, go work.
You got to work. Which part you work?
My fire.
So how many know about that?
That's why I'm doing it. I'm just telling you now. Because 2 days you must be in a hotel. So the 2 days there, at that man go and stay up there and watch the plum tree. Because I have some boy, big boy and Chucky. Them love company plum tree.
Yeah, go work for Mr. Fire. Careful and no bother go get yourself in no trouble with big boy and Chucky, right? Because me no want no police to get involved because they always interfere with you.
Yeah, but me know say the boy them tie me up.
So how me know nothing about that?
Then tie me up there and then him, big boy and Chucky, go beach and way in the night. I'm up there till me hungry. Way in the night then come release.
So what make you never tell me? No, then things are not right. I have to go back down to big boy mother, right? And go to Chucky father.
Yeah, you have to go do that, yes, because them not going right. You see them
no, because if I saw them I go text it for you, I have to go put a stoppage to it.
Yes. Well, I'm going to go.
Alright, careful. And you see, if you see them, walk on the other side of the road. You hear me say, my son?
Okay, mom.
Alright then. Take care.
Alright. Mine.
Man, what's your problem this morning, you know?
Come for bro, man.
You know, wake. Every time you come here, brown man, you come. Go back up your yard, man. Okay, you go tell your mother about. You tell your mother about me tie you up?
Yes, me did tell her.
What you tell her for? You see me tie you up?
Yes, it's you.
A big boy tie you up. I know me. Go on in your yard. What?
Call the brother for me now.
He may say him asleep, he piss in bed, he can't move.
Just go call him, man. Wake him.
The boy here you are.
Go and go wake him, man. We have to take up things to me.
Tell him.
What?
I'm there, you know.
So what happened?
I'm helping carry bag now.
See, I know about little boy.
Not good, man. No matter about it.
I told you what me have, you know?
So give me that one for your back.
Yo, look boy, where are you the bag?
Easy the fire.
Give me back, man.
Make it.
Give me back, man. Where man, you see you and all broke, brother. Come in here.
I don't write down this to me and go on.
Yeah, man. How far, man?
Yeah, something to do.
Well, wait on this where I come from, you know.
Yeah, somewhere I go.
Come in. Come in.
Big boy! Yo! Come in, man! You see your mother gone.
When gone, I'm off.
tomorrow Pastoral and I want to play last kick.
Last kick?
Yeah.
I go for the last kick.
Hold you. That's enough, man.
Yeah.
I want to go first, you?
Alright, you go first.
No.
You go first.
Hey, big boy. Mr. Daddy and pull my soup. This is a new girl in the area.
Which part?
You know, some of the woods. Like a Jaisi daughter.
Jaisi?
Yeah.
Eh? Want to see which girl that?
But the king there, big boy. That one they look like he need cornmeal porridge. They looking now.
Window. See there, look. See them, I don't touch y'all now, look. I want to see how she look good.
You look good, but you need cornmeal porridge.
God, we go link her.
Remember how Cutie is big and strong? And Cutie nearly killed me off of a rasta yard. That one they look like he easy. Yeah, we win.
The teeth, that no good, that no.
No, listen up, big boy, listen up. What is really done? We have worked there, but yeah, no. What we have up here?
We not care nothing, we just have hope they go look for you.
No, they love something. Chucky! 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 Your daddy a call.
Don't answer.
No, you never answer. Me will come back. Me will come back and hold on. Yes, daddy!
Come here, boy.
Me a play.
Come here, boy. You hear me call you, boy?
Look, no. What are you doing on the road? Go in.
What? Go in, man. Go in, man.
Go in.
I'm going to tell you if it's a yard.
A big boy come out of here.
Same big boy there. I'm going to tell you you have one something and a brief to wash out in this. I wash them out.
Hey, brief. Mommy say you have to wash them for me.
Tell you so that's why you're going to get all the panic in your life, you know. Go in, man.
I'm trying to tell big boy to
go in, man. You never say go in, man. Watch him. It's just big and low, sister.
Grandma, you can't go on the road.
No. You want to see what the father talk to you, boy?
No,
me say go in your house. Go in your house, man. Time if you time up in a yard. If I was one girl pin, you should have do better. Yo, this piece of work for me. Me a forward. Which part? Which part of the day? Alright. By the way, boy, come here.
Let's start this.
Alright, go on. That's the cat right now.
Now go up on the road, go do some work and come back.
Alright, daddy.
You hear me say?
Yes, daddy.
Fry some dumpling for your two brother them. And tell the fitters man, just fry with the baking powder and I tell them someday. Make them get some baking powder, make them get some.
Baking powder?
Me no want come back in the yard.
No in the yard. No in the yard.
You hear me say? Last time I want you know.
You know if you want me, Daddy. Me just say stand in the yard.
Alright.
Stand in the yard. Stand in the yard. You have to stand in the yard. We are go. Let's say we are come back. More fried dumpling. No fried, no dumpling. Big red boy want dumpling. The fried dumpling. You know me glad my sister got a cups.
Hey brother, come like a little girl. Can't even fry dumpling for you with the size.
Right.
You win.
Now you know that me win. We say come tell up a talk to you. What go out there?
You're a thief.
I say you go. We family thief too.
Tomorrow I'll catapult you, you know. So make sure you have as much last kit for build catapult.
What thief some of daddy last kit them? Then when we get out there, you know.
Build one bad catapult.
So we know you can't count.
Yo. I say now about that tomorrow. It's going to waste all my time, bro. Alright, that's it already. It's already, man.
Little boy, me can't get two of them plumber.
What you mean, man, Browning? Alright, hold on there. Hold on. What you go here now? I'm broke, you know. See him?
Let's say you have to put no pressure for you, but finish two of them, you know.
You can't get. Aye! Never happened. Come like you know, but. You want them, no, man, and you should have nothing, you know.
But I beg you two plum.
You want them. Browning, you know, look like you can get none of the heels in there, and you say the time I get late. So morning, I go pick a bag full girl. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah, cause you know what thing go already.
Alright. So morning, if you come back?
Yeah, man, come back, man.
What time of morning?
Come boy, now 8 o'clock.
Alright, I'll come in morning.
Yeah, man, you can come boy in 10 days.
Alright.
You know what, big boy? Terrence, we could go take a walk.
Come on, now look for one girl. That's why they say girl.
Oh, yeah, there.
Come on, come on, come on. Brownie, hello, hello. No, I'm in for Scotland. I'm in for Scotland. What's your name? Browning.
So no want for me.
Anything we can get.
Anything.
You know money can give me?
No, last it.
Me no want that.
Me have something can give you out of my bag. Me have something can give you out of my bag.
Me no want nothing to your bag.
Me can get something if me give you something.
Me no want no biscuit. Me want to jump for me yard before.
Jump. Forget you. Fully. I will get you.
So if you fully jump.
Anyone I love me most.
And if we fully, if you tow we fully, we can get it.
No, this one and alone can't.
So if the last one throw water in there, I win.
Yeah.
Where you jump there?
Don't have a yard.
Which part of your yard there?
We up on the hilltop.
Show me, come show me, come on.
Look here. You have to write that up.
Remember, so we are going to beat one and come back. Put the boy in bed and come back and link me. Room up your AC.
Number one, yo, go to TV. Yo. Everybody want big boy.